What's the meaning of clothe? Clothe. Clothe.
Clothe. Clothe. Clothe means to provide someone or something with clothing or coverings. The process of clothing something typically involves wrapping it in a material, such as fabric or leather, to protect it from the elements, to provide warmth, or to facilitate movement. The result of clothing something is usually that it looks more appealing and is better prepared for its intended use. Additionally, clothing can be used to express individuality or cultural identity, as well as to achieve practical objectives such as safety or comfort.